If you are brought here, that means they knew that you were strong enough and you could continue the journey. Because you have worked 8 good weeks, you have come here weak, fragmented, and become mechanized. Those who died were buried there. You see the raffia palm there. That was the mass grave.
Where?
I'll show you. Have you seen the bamboo grooves? They were camps for the captives. When a raider comes, you make a shed, put his captives inside. So there are different people. There are too many raiders. Everybody with his gang. So it was not the chiefs who were selling them. So the raiders who were bringing them to meet the merchants. And when they brought them, here they were fed. And they became strong. And then attractive. With the palm oil, the shea butter, and then some herbs. Clean your blisters, make you look attractive. Then the merchants will come here for auctioning. Down the scale, gunpowder, gun, tobacco, gin, in that order. That was the order.
How many people
and
died?
Then, we cannot, it is because of the oral tradition. Many people, see, if you see any 4 people here, 5 or 6 would have died over there. So it was 40% every time, 40% survived. 40% survived. And when they went there,
you mean survive the walk?
Oh, I got
those who were able to go to the castle was just 40% of those who were raided. Died on the road, perished anywhere, wild animals and so on. So that river was where they had solid because they had the chance of drinking good water, chance of having their bath. What type of bath? What type of somebody will say, how will you bath? But they make them a bit cool. Then, after they have eaten, they fed them on snails, rodents, cocoyam, plantain. Then they look attractive. Then they smear you palm oil and then shea butter. You look attractive. Then the auction takes place. And after they have auctioned you, brandy. Each merchant according to his symbol. You are welcome to this place. And we are always saying, never again. Never again. Never again.
Never again.
Never again. So we are not going to sell ourselves to them again. So we are just appealing to you that wherever you go, spread the news. Not just come here, have some respect for this place and go. Spread the news. Everywhere you go, do that. That's why all that I am, I have passion for this place. I want people to come and share their idea with us. I want the young ones to come and share. Some students came here, about 100 of them. We had a chat. And I told them that perhaps there may be a way they must continue the fight. Like what the Jews are doing. Thank you very much. My brother.
Thank you for the libations now.
Okay, you can pour the libation now.
And we, Madasi to you
nice.
for being here.